Hey, travel lovers. Ready to step up your travel game?
Oh, yeah.
Today, we're diving deep into some must-have travel essentials.
The stuff that can really make a difference.
You got it.
Especially with how much travel is going to change by 2025.
Exactly. And this deep dive is all thanks to the True Travel Treasures channel.
Such a great channel.
Their video is jam-packed with incredible products and tips.
What?
Perfect timing, too, of Black Friday right around the corner.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Don't forget to check out the links in the description. Anything you buy through those links helps support the True Travel Treasures channel.
Absolutely.
And you'll get a free travel planning ebook.
Win-win.
Seriously.
And they've got even more travel tips on their new website and blogs at truetraveltreasures.online.
So much good stuff. Okay, so the video breaks down into two main categories geared to improve your travel experience right now,
Okay.
and insights into navigating the predicted travel landscape of 2025.
Yeah, navigating all those complexities.
Yeah.
Sounds intense.
A couple standout items that caught my eye were the level 8 luggage.
Oh, yeah, those wheels are supposed to be amazing.
They really are. And a magnetic clamp light that also acts as a safety beacon.
That's so cool.
How cool is that?
That's like ultimate preparedness right there.
Right.
Convenience and safety all in one.
Okay, so let's unpack this level 8 luggage.
Right.
What makes it so special?
Well, the True Travel Treasures channel highlighted a few things. First, those super smooth wheels.
Yeah.
Total game changer.
Yeah.
And they actually tested them on cobblestones to prove their durability.
I love that they did that.
Yeah, super thorough.
Imagine effortlessly gliding through airports
Yes.
over uneven terrain.
No more struggling with wonky wheels.
Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how many times I've gotten stuck
Oh, I know, the struggle.
with a wonky wheel, especially when you're rushing to catch a flight.
We're navigating crowded streets.
Ugh, it's the worst.
Not fun.
The video also emphasized the sturdy handles,
Yes.
key for maneuvering a heavy bag.
Yeah, and the overall durability means this luggage is built to last.
So you're saving money and hassle in the long run.
For sure.
It's a good investment.
Definitely, especially with travel becoming more complex in 2025.
Makes sense.
More important than ever to have gear you can depend on.
Okay, next up, that magnetic clamp light that doubles as a safety signal.
Yeah,
Safety first.
absolutely.
So it's a multifunctional gadget, extra light source,
Always handy.
which is useful in pretty much any situation.
Very much.
Plus, it can flash as a safety beacon, attracting attention if you need it.
Perfect for emergencies.
Give me a real-life scenario. How could this come in handy during a trip?
Okay, imagine your car breaks down at night
Oh, no.
on a quiet road.
Scary.
You attach this light to your car, and boom, that flashing signal could alert others and help you get assistance faster.
That's amazing.
Right? Small item, huge peace of mind.
It's waterproof, too, so it's ready for anything.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
The True Travel Treasures channel also mentioned RFID blocking lanyards.
Oh, yeah.
For protecting against identity theft.
Super important these days.
Crucial,
Absolutely a small, discreet item that can really give you peace of mind.
especially for travelers who are concerned about security.
For sure.
Love it. Okay, let's move on to some tiny but mighty essentials. TSA-approved containers and cable organizers.
Oh, those are good ones.
Why are these so important?
All about convenience and organization.
Yeah.
Those TSA-approved containers are lifesavers for anyone who travels with thick liquids.
Oh, yeah.
No more squeezing lotion into those tiny bottles.
Or worrying about leaks. I
Exactly.
can already feel the stress melting away.
Right. No more last-minute struggles at security.
I've been there so many times.
We've all been there.
And cable organizers.
Essential for keeping your tech gear tidy and accessible on the go.
No more tangled cords.
Or digging through your bag for the right charger.
I hate that.
It's the worst.
Okay, before we jump into the future of travel in 2025,
Right.
let's talk comfort. The True Travel Treasures channel had some really unique finds in this department.
They did.
They highlighted a neck pillow, unlike any I've ever seen.
Oh, yeah. It's unique.
It attaches to the headrest,
Yeah.
so it prevents your head from slumping forward when you're trying to sleep on a plane.
So smart.
So no more waking up with a stiff neck after a long flight.
That's the dream.
I'm sold.
Right. It's all about those little design details
Yeah.
that can really make a difference in your comfort level.
A huge difference.
They also showcased a super cozy cashmere sweater, perfect for those chilly flights,
Yeah.
and supportive shoe arches for all the walking you'll inevitably be doing.
You've got to have those.
For sure.
I'm sensing a theme here.
What's that?
Be prepared for anything.
Absolutely. And it ties in perfectly with their message about travel in 2025.
Okay, so tell me more about that.
So they're predicting that travel in 2025 is going to be a whole different ballgame.
Oh,
More complex, More potential for delays and disruptions.
Okay, I don't even want to think about it.
It's coming.
So what's the connection between that and the essentials they're recommending?
Think of it this way. If you invest in durable, reliable travel gear now,
Okay.
you're setting yourself up for smoother travels no matter what challenges you face.
That's a good point.
Like that level 8 luggage we talked about with the super strong wheels and construction.
Right.
Way less likely to break or malfunction.
And leave you stranded with a broken suitcase in a crowded airport.
The worst.
Oh, yeah, I could just picture it.
Not a good situation.
Not at all. So it's about more than just convenience.
Yep.
It's about peace of mind,
Exactly.
knowing that your gear can handle whatever comes your way.
And this applies to those smaller essentials, too.
Okay.
Like those TSA-approved containers, they help prevent leaks and spills.
Right.
Saving you from potential messes and frustration.
Oh, sure.
The cable organizers keep your tech gear in order and easy to find.
Love that.
No more stress when you're trying to stay connected on the go.
Exactly.
So many benefits.
The True Travel Treasures channel also pointed out that these travel essentials make awesome gifts,
They really do.
practical and thoughtful.
Yeah, you're essentially giving the gift of smoother, less stressful travel.
Yeah, and you can really tailor the gift to the person and their travel style.
Absolutely.
Level 8 luggage for the frequent flyer,
Yeah.
the unique neck pillow for someone who prioritizes comfort,
So thoughtful.
an RFID blocking lanyard for the security-conscious traveler.
Good idea.
So many great options.
Speaking of comfort,
Yeah?
they also highlighted a rollable bamboo travel pillow.
Oh, wow.
Supposed to be perfect for picky sleepers
Interesting.
who have trouble finding a comfortable pillow in hotels.
That's such a great idea.
Right.
I know so many people who struggle to get a good night's sleep when they're away from home.
Me too. It's a common problem.
Yeah. Did they mention anything else that stood out to you?
Let me think. They had liquid sleeves for preventing shampoo and other liquids from leaking in your bag.
Oh, those are genius.
Right. Such a simple solution to a common travel annoyance.
Yes, I've been there.
A leaky bottle of shampoo can ruin a perfectly packed suitcase.
Oh, totally.
And for those who like to keep their smaller essentials organized,
Yeah.
they featured these tiny travel kits.
Okay.
Ideal for cords jewelry, even medication.
I love that.
Keeping everything in its place.
Yeah, did they talk about safety and security at all?
Yes, they did.
Okay.
They mentioned zipper clips that can help deter pickpockets.
Oh, that's smart.
By making it harder to access your bags.
Good idea.
They also emphasize the importance of RFID blocking protection.
Yes, especially for international travel.
Exactly. They recommended a discreet RFID blocking lanyard that can be worn under your clothing, keeping your passport and credit card safe from electronic theft.
So it's a good reminder that being prepared for anything also means thinking about security.
Absolutely. Being proactive and taking steps to minimize risk.
Yeah, it's all about being prepared. Well, it sounds like the True Travel Treasures channel has covered just about every travel essential under the sun.
They really did a thorough job.
I feel way more prepared for my next trip already.
Me too. And what's great is that even if you can't take advantage of the Black Friday deals,
Right.
these travel essentials are worth considering year-round.
Definitely. It's an investment in smoother, more enjoyable travel experiences.
Absolutely.
And speaking of investing, don't forget, you can support the True Travel Treasures channel and all their incredible work
Yeah.
by snagging some of these travel must-haves through the links in the description.
Easy way to show your support.
Yeah.
Plus, you get that free travel planning ebook.
Exactly. The
Yeah.
win-win.
For sure.
So as we wrap up this part of the deep dive,
Okay.
I'm curious to hear from you, our listeners.
Yeah.
What one essential from today's episode are you most excited to add to your travel arsenal?
What are you picturing yourself using on your next adventure?
And don't forget to subscribe to the True Travel Treasures channel
And ring that notification bell.
so you don't miss out on any of their future travel tips.
They've got so much great content.
Plus, be sure to check out their new website and blogs at truetraveltreasures.online for even more travel inspiration.
You won't regret it.
All right, that brings us to the end of this part of our deep dive.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks, everyone.
It's so cool to see all the thought that goes into travel gear these days.
It really is. There's so much innovation out there.
Like stuff that can actually make a difference.
Right. Make travel smoother and less stressful.
Yeah. Before we wrap up,
Okay.
I wanted to touch on a few more items from the True Travel Treasures video.
Sounds good.
They had some great suggestions for staying comfortable and stylish on the go.
Oh, for sure.
Like, remember how we talked about being prepared for chilly plains?
Yeah.
They highlighted this super cozy cashmere sweater.
Oh, from Blue Time.
Yeah.
It's perfect for layering and packs down small.
Cashmere is seriously a travel essential.
It is warm, lightweight, and always looks chic.
So true. What about bags?
Bags.
Did they have any recommendations?
They did. For organization, they loved a crossbody bag with tons of pockets.
Oh, that's so key.
And for hands-free sightseeing, they recommended a stylish backpack purse.
So stylish and functional.
Exactly what you need when you're exploring a new destination.
Totally. What about our feet?
Our feet.
Any tips for keeping them happy while we're racking up all those travel miles?
Oh, definitely. They suggested investing in supportive shoe arches.
Okay.
They can make a world of difference in preventing aches and pains,
Especially if you're doing a lot of walking.
especially then.
It's amazing how those little things can have such a big impact
They really can,
on our overall comfort.
for sure. It's all about finding that balance between practicality and style.
We don't have to sacrifice comfort or fashion when we travel.
No, not at all. We can have it all.
We can have it all.
Yeah.
And speaking of having it all,
Okay.
a few more unique items stood out to me from the video.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
Have you ever heard of dude wipes?
Dude wipes.
Dude wipes.
Tell me more.
They're individually wrapped wipes that are great for freshening up
Right?
on long flights or road trips.
I can see that being useful.
Sometimes you just need a quick refresh.
Yeah.
And these are so convenient to have on hand.
That's a brilliant idea.
Right.
So simple, but so helpful.
What about packing tips?
Packing tips.
Did the True Travel Treasures channel have any clever hacks?
They did. They recommended using carabiner hooks to attach things to your luggage.
Oh, interesting.
You can clip on a water bottle, a small bag, even your travel pillow.
To free up space inside your suitcase.
Exactly.
That's genius.
Right.
I'm always looking for ways to maximize space.
Me too. Suitcase space is precious.
It really is. Any tips for light sleepers?
Light sleepers.
You know the ones who struggle to get a good night's sleep on planes?
Oh, yeah. They recommended a travel fan
Okay,
to help create a more comfortable sleeping environment.
I like that. It's amazing how much thought and innovation goes into travel gear these days.
It really is. It seems like there's a solution for every travel challenge.
Right. The True Travel Treasures channel did an amazing job
They did it.
highlighting all these products.
That can truly transform the way we travel.
This deep dive has been so inspiring.
It has been fun.
I'm feeling way more prepared and excited for my next adventure.
Me too. And remember being proactive and choosing travel essentials
Right.
that align with our individual needs and travel styles
Yeah.
can really enhance our travel experiences.
It's all about being prepared and finding what works best for you.
Exactly.
So as you think about your next trip,
Yeah.
what one essential from our deep dive today
Okay.
are you most excited to add to your travel arsenal?
What's going to make your next journey even better?
Don't forget, you can find links to all these awesome products in the episode description.
And anything you purchase through those links supports the True Travel Treasures channel.
Plus, you'll get their free travel planning ebook.
It's a win-win.
Seriously. And while you're at it,
Okay.
be sure to subscribe to their channel
Hit that notification bell.
so you don't miss out on any of their future travel tips.
They've got so much great content.
Plus, be sure to check out their new website and blogs at truetraveltreasures.online for even more travel inspiration.
It's a treasure trove of travel goodness.
I love that. It's been so much fun exploring these travel essentials with you all.
It has been fun. Happy travels, everyone.
Before we go,
Yeah.
there were a few more items from the True Travel Treasures video that I just had to mention.
Oh, really? What else caught your eye?
They had some really great suggestions for staying comfortable and stylish.
On the go.
Yeah,
Oh, I love that
me
combination.
too. Like we talked about being prepared for chilly plains,
Yeah.
they highlighted this super cozy cashmere sweater.
Yeah, from Blue Time.
Yeah, it's perfect for layering and packs down small.
Oh, cashmere's a must-have.
Seriously. Warm, lightweight always looks chic.
Definitely a travel essential.
Okay, so what about bags?
Bags. Oh, they had some good ones.
Did they have any specific recommendations?
Ah, they did. For organization, they raved about a crossbody bag with tons of pockets.
Pockets are key.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And for hands-free sightseeing, they loved a stylish backpack pose.
Oh, that's so smart.
Right.
Stylish and functional.
Exactly what you need when you're exploring a new destination.
For sure. You gotta have both.
You do.
What about our feet, though?
Our feet.
Any tips for keeping them happy while we're racking up all those travel miles?
Definitely. They suggested investing in supportive shoe arches.
Those are lifesavers.
Oh, they can make a world of difference
Seriously.
in preventing aches and pains.
Especially if you're doing a lot of walking.
especially then.
I always forget about those.
Yeah, it's easy to overlook them.
But it's amazing how those little things can have such a big impact
They really can.
on our overall comfort.
It's all about those little details
Right.
that can make or break a trip.
Totally.
Right.
We don't have to sacrifice comfort or fashion when we travel.
No, we don't. We can have it all.
We could have it all. And speaking of having it all,
Okay, I like where this is going.
a couple more unique items stood out to me from the video.
Oh yeah, tell me more.
Have you ever heard of dude wipes?
Dude wipes. No, tell me about them.
So they're individually wrapped wipes
Okay.
that are great for freshening up on long flights or road trips.
Oh, okay. I can see that being useful.
Sometimes you just need a quick refresh.
Yeah, especially on those long-haul flights.
It's a lifesaver.
It is a game changer.
Seriously. What a brilliant idea.
Simple, but so helpful.
Okay, so what about packing tips?
Packing tips? Let me think. Oh, they had one really good one.
Okay.
They recommended using carabiner hooks to attach things to your luggage.
Oh, like outside your luggage.
Yeah, exactly.
Interesting.
You can clip on a water bottle, a small bag, even your travel pillow.
Oh, to free up space inside your suitcase.
Exactly.
That's genius.
It is, right?
I love that I'm always looking for ways to maximize space in my suitcase.
And too, suitcase space is precious.
So precious.
Uh,
Any tips for light sleepers?
Light sleepers.
Yeah.
Oh, they had a good one for that, too. Okay.
They recommended a travel fan
Okay.
to help create a more comfortable sleeping environment.
I like that. A little white noise can go a long way.
Oh, it really can.
Yeah.
It can make all the difference.
It's incredible how much thought goes into travel gear these days.
I know. It's amazing.
It really seems like there's a solution for every travel challenge.
And the True Travel Treasures channel did such a good job
He did.
highlighting all these products.
I feel like I learned so much from this deep dive.
Me too.
I'm feeling way more prepared for my next adventure.
Me too.
Ooh.
And remember being proactive
Yeah.
and choosing travel essentials that align with your needs.
Yes.
Can really enhance your travel experiences.
It's all about being prepared and finding what works best for you.
Exactly.
So as you think about your next trip, what one essential from today's deep dive are you most excited to add to your travel arsenal?
What's going to make your next journey even better? Don't forget you can find links to all these awesome products in the episode description. Plus, anything you purchase through those links supports the True Travel Treasures channel, and you'll also get their free travel planning ebook.
And don't forget to subscribe to their channel, hit that notification bell, and check out their new website and blogs at truetraveltreasures.online for even more travel inspiration.
It's been so fun exploring these travel essentials with you all.
It really has. Happy travels, everyone.
Until next time, happy travels.